Hi, I'm Daniel. Thank you for visiting our video. Too much to do and too little time to do it? Is your business growth spinning or accelerating? Do you need professional business consultants? Check out why we are the top choice in our town and why we manage to maintain the highest level of service quality for our clients. Check out some of our past work.
Mr. Michael Darden goal is to provide Six Sigma logistics to new and expanding companies. Specialties: logistics reverse, consultant warehouse services, export receivables. Darden & Associates is a management consulting firm focused on helping businesses solve the complex challenges and decisions facing their company today. Darden & Associates consultants have helped many clients to maintain and achieve a successful business with financially sound practices. Darden & Associates has earned a reputation for excellence. They offer advice and support for every process and structure within your company, from short-term solutions to long-term goals. At Darden & Associates, LLC, our goal is to maintain a high standard of customer service. Our affiliations connect us with companies around the world. Darden & Associates provides complete and sustainable solutions for small to mid-sized businesses and large corporations. Please call 1-877-859-0946 or send us an email to dardenassociates@outlook.com.
So, if you want to find out more information about us, check out the link below.